Backyard Field Trip Part 2, Metamorphosis. What is metamorphosis? Metamorphosis is a biological process by which an organism undergoes major physical changes from an immature form to an adult form. Let's quickly explore what environmental factors may disrupt metamorphosis in tadpoles. Weather. The radiation from the sun caused much evaporation over the course of a few days. Also, the lack of precipitation continued the drying effect. These weather conditions resulted in habitat loss and crowding within the tadpole environment. Predators. Animals, such as dragonflies and salamanders, use tadpoles for energy and negatively impact tadpole populations. I read some research studies about tadpoles and learned more interesting facts. Stay tuned for part 3 to learn more.